Everything in the physical universe that we see today will one day come to an end. Mountains that look permanent, vast oceans, planets, and even stars are all subject to the law of time. According to certain spiritual perspectives, there comes a moment when a great cosmic fire dissolves creation. Energy is withdrawn, forms disappear. What seems solid melts back into subtle existence. After that, a new creation begins. This process is sometimes described as transformation, not just of one universe, but of the entire multiverse. It is said that our known universe is not the only one. There may be countless galaxies, universes, and even multiverses. Some of these are believed to be realms of pure light, where there is no birth and no death, no suffering, no conflict. In such realms, existence is stable and unchanged. There is no decay, no fear, no struggle. But the world we live in, the mortal world, is different. It operates under cycles of birth and death. It experiences rise and fall. Because of this, some describe it as a fallen or limited realm, one that must go through transformation. The concept of the soul plays a central role in these teachings. The body is temporary, it ages and eventually dissolves, but the soul, according to spiritual philosophy, is eternal. When the body dies, the soul continues its journey. It takes another birth based on its accumulated actions and inner tendencies. Some traditions describe 8.4 million life forms through which the soul travels. The state of mind at the time of death is said to influence the direction of the next journey. From this viewpoint, even ordinary animals today may once have been souls in very high positions. A soul that was once a celestial being may now be living a simple life. Similarly, a human soul may have experienced many different roles over immense spans of time. Over millions and billions of years, the soul gathers experiences through many forms. The journey of consciousness is vast and difficult to comprehend fully. In spiritual symbolism, Brahma represents creation, Vishnu represents preservation, and Shiva represents transformation or dissolution. Some interpretations suggest that even these cosmic roles change over time. In one cycle, a being holding the role of creator may step aside, and another higher consciousness may take that place. This idea represents the shifting of responsibilities within the cosmic order. It does not necessarily mean physical replacement, but rather a transformation of energies guiding the universe. There are also teachings about subtle realms, dimensions beyond ordinary human perception. These include higher worlds described as planes of light and elevated consciousness. Some believe that what happens on Earth is influenced by activity in these subtle planes. Ideas, movements, and even religions may arise as reflections of deeper cosmic processes. Today, we see many religions and belief systems: Hindu traditions, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, and many others. Certain spiritual perspectives suggest that belief systems are not limited to Earth. Wherever conscious life exists, there may be forms of spiritual understanding suited to that level of awareness. Every soul seeks a path appropriate to its development. There is also discussion about destruction through war, nuclear weapons, hydrogen bombs, and large-scale devastation. If such destruction were to occur, physical forms would not survive. The body is vulnerable, But spiritual philosophy teaches that consciousness itself cannot be destroyed so easily. The soul continues. However, the strength of the soul matters. A weak consciousness may fall into confusion and lower states, while a strong, enlightened soul rises to higher awareness. This is why teachings emphasize self-knowledge and spiritual growth. The idea of a great dissolution or cosmic reset appears in many traditions. At the end of one cycle, everything dissolves. Then a new cycle begins. Just as seasons change, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, the cosmos also moves through phases. Creation, preservation, dissolution, and recreation form a repeating pattern. On a multiversal scale, this cycle may be far beyond human imagination. Concepts of extraterrestrial beings and advanced civilizations are also part of modern conversation. Science searches for life beyond Earth. Spiritual traditions sometimes describe higher beings observing cosmic evolution. Whether taken literally or symbolically, these ideas remind us that the universe is vast and filled with mystery. The most important question remains: where should we place our trust? In the body, in material security, or in something deeper? The body will not last forever. External structures can collapse, but inner awareness, our thoughts, actions, and intentions shape our destiny more deeply than anything else. Cultivating peace, compassion, and clarity strengthens the soul. Time is moving quickly. Technology is advancing rapidly. Yet without inner stability, progress feels incomplete. This is why self-realization and spiritual understanding are becoming increasingly important. Asking who we truly are, why we are here, and where we are going adds depth to life. No matter how vast the universe is, no matter how many galaxies or multiverses may exist, the most powerful transformation begins within individual consciousness. When inner peace grows, outer conflict decreases. When awareness expands, fear diminishes. When love strengthens, division fades. Whether one accepts these ideas literally or views them symbolically, they invite reflection, they invite expansion of the mind, they encourage deeper understanding of existence. In the end, what remains valuable is wisdom, compassion, and awakened consciousness.